You know, you are so lucky to live in Southern California to where you can have oranges, grapefruit, limes growing right in your yard. That is great.
Well, I enjoy it, and I really enjoy my fruit every day. This morning I had a grapefruit, and aside from filling my tummy and making me feel all healthy, I have a really helpful tip how to use it.
This looks pretty cool.
Well, this is a fruit pot. Literally a fruit pot. And what I did after eating it is I scooped out the rind and everything, and this becomes a really fabulous biodegradable pot that you can put right in the soil.
Well, do you, in between the time that you plant it and the time that you put it in the soil, do you maybe put it on the windowsill, something like that?
Well, actually, you could do that, but I prefer to put it in a tray because I put some little slits in the bottom to help with the drainage, and then also when it finally goes into the soil, it will help it to biodegrade a little bit faster. So because of that, I do keep it in a tray so when I water it, it will go. And also, as this pot begins to break down, it might tend to get a little smelly.
Oh, yeah.
And it might tend to ooze a little bit and whatever, but that's all part of the process. So then when I take it outside, it's really ready to go.
Well, since you have so much fruit, maybe I can sneak a little of this in my suitcase, huh?
Danny.